Hey guys, it's Raquel. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on this smoky eye paired with a metallic lip, which I think would be perfect for a special occasion like New Year's Eve, which is coming up. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I've done my brows and I've primed my lids with the Open Decay All Nighter Concealer, and now I'm setting it with the Too Faced Born This Way powder. I'm applying Truffle as my transition shade from the Australis Neutralize palette, which is also the only eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using for this look. Then I'm taking the shade Fudge to deepen up the colour while focusing it in the crease and slightly winging it out at the outer corner. Now for the lid, I'm using the shade Bittersweet and building it up in layers with a patting motion. I wanted a bit of shimmer to fit the whole theme, so I'm taking the shade Salted Caramel and lightly tapping it all over my lid. And now I'm tightlining my eyes using the Rimmel Exaggerate Eye Definer in Blackest Black. I just applied these lashes off camera, then cleaning up around my eyes with the Face Halo. I'm now putting an orange corrector under my eyes to cancel out the darkness and blending that out with a brush. I'm going to dot my favourite foundation all over my face and start blending it out with a flat top brush, then blending it out further with my Real Technique sponge. I'm using the Open Decay All Nighter Concealer under my eyes and again blending it out with the same brush and sponge. Now with the Too Faced Born This Way powder, I'm setting my under eyes as well as lightly brushing it all over my face to set the foundation. Another one of my favorites is the Australis Lash and Brow Extender, which I will be using to brush and set my brows into place. I'm now going to lightly bronze up my forehead, cheeks and jaw using the NARS Sunwash Diffusing Bronzer. For my blush, I'm using this one from e.l.f. in the shade VG. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going back in with Fudge on my lower lash line. I'm applying the Mecca Cosmetica Enlighten powder as my highlight, which is also another favourite of mine. For my lips, I'm using a ultra metallic liquid lipstick from Colourpop. And finally, I'm using the All Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any tips or suggestions for future videos, then comment them down below, and I'll see you in the next one.